Creating a LinkedIn video ad. Hey there, friends! You've just created an advertising campaign on LinkedIn, and now you're ready to move forward while you wait for results. And we're ready to help you take the next step. We not only believe that paying for LinkedIn ads is crucial to success, we also know firsthand that promoting your brand this way can help you expand and profit in a way that would take you years otherwise. So in this lesson, we're going to show you how to prepare and launch a video ad campaign that can help you diversify your reach. Getting started. To create LinkedIn ads, you have to access the Campaign Manager first. We went through this in the previous lesson, but we'd like to do a quick recap so it sticks. First, click on the Work option in the top bar menu. Then, click on the Advertise icon to go to the Campaign Manager. And once in the Campaign Manager, move to the Accounts column and click on the Add Account for your company page. Creating the campaign. Now it is time to create the campaign for the video ad. Start by clicking on the Create Campaign button. Now edit the name of the new campaign in the Untitled Campaign field. Now you are going to select Video Views as a campaign objective. Now it is time to configure the campaign settings. First, move to the Location section and add your additional target locations by clicking on Add Location. Because your profile language is set by default as your target language, you can skip to the Who is your target audience section, where you are going to select your targeting criteria. Remember that here, you can either search audience attributes either by entering keywords into the search field, or you can browse attributes by using the Audience Attributes menu. In this example, our goal is to reach people interested in our content, so we are going to enter a niche keyword into the search field, and then we will select attributes from the results. Now move to the Budget and Schedule section. First, enter your daily ad spend into the Daily Spend field. Now select your schedule. For this example, we'll select to run campaign continuously from the start date. The next step is key. First, click on the Bid Type menu button. Then select Maximum CPV Bid. This setting will help you set a maximum cost per view bid, so you don't go over budget. What you'll do now is to enter a bid amount that is slightly higher than the suggested bid, preferably that goes a few cents above what other advertisers are paying. You will find this information at the bottom of this section. Now that you are done configuring the campaign, click on the Next button to save and continue. Creating the ad. Now it is time to create the ad. Start by clicking on the Create New Ad button to open the ad editor. Now to set up the ad creative. First, enter your ad copy into the Introductory Text field. Now you are going to click on the Upload Video button to upload your video file to the ad. Now you are going to enter your ad headline into the Headline field. Now enter your website or landing page URL into the Destination URL field. Now click on the Call to Action menu button and select the CTA that best describes the action you want the user to take after watching the video ad. In this case, we are going to select Learn More, so they click on our URL. And now that you've finished the ad, click on the Create button to save your ad and add it to the campaign. Now click on the Next button to save and continue. Launching the video ad campaign. Lastly, you are going to review your campaign settings on this page, and then you'll click on the Launch Campaign button. And that's it! Now you can start expanding your audience thanks to promoted video content.